Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at something a little bit different. Well, it's actually a game console that's in a frame. This here is a Game Gear that's kind of plastered, showcasing all the inner workings, and you can go ahead and hang this on the wall. Now, this was sent over by a company called Grid. It's actually a frame studio company that makes a variation of different frames like this, from Game Boys to the original iPhone, to the Apple Watch, whatever. They have a lot of different variations you can go and take a look at for yourself. Now, together we'll be unboxing this, seeing it up in close in detail, and seeing exactly what it's all about. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. This here's our packaging. This here's our box. So it looks pretty cool. It means it looks like a nice frame, nicely covered. It says fragile. Doesn't say anything other than that. Let's open it up. Oh, cool. So it says Grid Frame Studio. You got looks like they melted wax on here and put a little bit of a greenery there. Kind of gives it a nice, unique feel. It says, thank you for joining the Grid family. Here's 15% off your next order. Sweet. It looks like we have some mounting pins as well, so depending on where you're mounting it to. So yeah, I mean, it looks really cool. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so it looks like our frame might have had some damage. That sucks. Must have happened during shipping. But yeah, this here is our Game Gear exposed. So pretty cool. I mean, although it is a very used looking Game Gear, it kind of distracts it, but it's still pretty cool for what it is. You can actually see all the different components of it. So, you know, you have like the start button, you have your screen cover, your buttons, speakers, power button, etc. It says the Game Gear is an 8-bit 4th generation handheld game console released by Sega on October 6, 1990 in Japan. In April 1991 throughout North America and Europe, and during 1992 in Australia. So we have like power board, cable connectors, power board, audio board, main board, and then show the CPU. So yeah, I mean, this is a really great looking presentation of what components are part of the Game Gear. Obviously, it's kind of hard to get a Game Gear, especially one in a really good condition, so I'm assuming that's probably why we have one in not so good condition. Yeah. All right, so I'm kind of curious to see what this thing actually looks like if we kind of open it up a little bit more. All right. Whoa. Look at that. How cool is that? So there is our Game Gear. Man, that is something else. Is this sturdy? Oh, this is just like beat up like crazy. Definitely something unique, something interesting that you can just hang on your wall. And yeah, I mean, this is really cool. And definitely, I like the fact that you can go ahead and like open it up and see it physically. That is the cool piece behind this. It's a 3D art piece. It's not just like a 2D one. It's a 3D art piece. Yeah, I mean, aside the frame being kind of cracked, that's a bit of a bummer, but still pretty cool stuff. And with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.